newer to you. So general education for the college. We have 6 gen ed outcomes. Some college or some places call them institutional outcomes. We call them general education outcomes. This could be a whole session unto itself. So you're not going to get in today's session everything you need to know about gen ed. But basically, they're the types of things a college, and most schools have them, deems important for all students to learn during their time with us. So then we work to ensure that they develop these skills while they're here. We don't expect every course to touch on all of these. For example, math might be a little light on global or communication. A literature class isn't going to have quantitative literacy. That's fine. But over the course of a student's tenure at the college, and particularly towards the culmination of a degree, we hope that their coursework builds upon all of these. And they're pretty standard. If you were to compare learning outcomes, say at JJC or other places that you've been, you'd see some similarities. Usually there is one that's more mission-based, and so for ECC, we would consider that the global and multicultural literacy outcome. If you were to pull up outcomes for, say, Judson College down the street, there would be something that touches on the spiritual or religious aspect of that particular school. So sometimes you will see things like that. And the enumeration that's here, I'll get to in a minute. And each of these does have a fuller definition. It's not just a title, and that's what those numbers refer to, how many bullets are underneath each of those outcomes. But